Welcome to the fourth module of your journey in basic computer essentials. In this module, we are going to talk about three distinct sub-modules that are crucial for you to know when it comes to navigating and managing your computer. So, in essence, these three sub-modules are going to ensure that you have a solid understanding of how to work with files and folders on your computer, as well as how to manage windows and apps. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The first submodule we're going to cover is Welcome to your Windows desktop. This submodule is going to introduce you to the fundamental concepts of the desktop, including the taskbar, the start menu, and the notification area. You'll learn how to interact with these elements and how they can help you access programs, files, and settings. Additionally, we'll discuss the concept of the desktop background and how to personalize it to your liking. Next, we'll move on to the second submodule, which is File Explorer, your digital filing cabinet. In this submodule, we're going to teach you how to use the File Explorer to manage your files and folders. You'll learn how to create, move, copy, and delete files and folders, as well as how to change the file view and sort files by various criteria. We'll also explain the difference between a file and a folder and how they work together to help you organize your data. Finally, we'll move on to the third submodule, which is Window Management and Recycle Bin. In this submodule, we're going to teach you how to effectively manage windows and applications on your computer. You'll learn how to minimize, maximize, and resize windows, as well as how to close and switch between open windows. Additionally, we'll explain the purpose of the taskbar and the notification area and how to use them to keep track of your open windows and programs. Finally, we'll introduce you to the recycle bin and explain what happens when you delete a file or folder. You'll also learn how to empty the recycle bin when needed. So these are the three sub-modules that we're going to cover in this module, and we have dedicated videos for each one of them. So the next three videos are going to be dedicated to these sub-modules, and if you want to know more about them, make sure to watch those videos and get a solid understanding of these concepts. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Lastly, if you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section down below. We would love to hear from you and help you in any way we can. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new. If you did, make sure to give it a like. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.